How to retarget your website visitors on Facebook step by step in this video. So follow the video till the end and you will get to know about this from A to Z. Now, retargeting is one of the most powerful ad strategies on your Facebook, reaching people who already visited your site but did not convert. So how you can simply do it, install the Metapixel on your website. Go to the Meta Events Manager. Click on Connect Data Sources, choose Web and select Media or Metapixel. Name your pixel, then click on Continue. Choose Install Code manually or connect via platform like Shopify. Paste the pixel code into your site head section. Use the Pixel Helper Chrome extension to verify if it's working. This tracks visitors' action on your Facebook account. Step 2 is create a custom audience based on web activity. Go to the Ads Manager, Audience, create audience, then custom audience. Choose website as the source from there and select the pixel you installed. Choose targeting option. All website visitors, people who visited specific pages like product or cart pages. Visitor in the last X days, number of days, 7, 14 or 30, any of the time duration. Name your audience something like website visitors last 14 days. Create the audience from the menu, and step 3 will be create a retargeting campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the plus icon to create start a new campaign. Choose a conversion focused objective. At the ad set level, under audience, choose a custom audience you just created. Narrow by location, age or interest only if needed. Set your budget and placement from there. Keep your message highly relevant, they already know you. Step 4 will be create a high converting retargeting ad market from there. Remind them what they viewed or abandoned. Use urgency testimonials or limited time offers. Include a clear CDA. Return to your cart, complete your order from there. Example, add ideas. Forgot something, your cart is still waiting. Still thinking it over, here's what others are saying. Final hours to get 20% off before it's gone. And the step 5 will be create multiple retargeting audience 714 for 30 days. Layer on the lookalike audience or past visitors. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.